Hey everyone, welcome back to another video for Christ and Crafts. Today, I'll be showing you guys the Noah Lyles character that I created today, and a little bit of backstory of why I created that. But before I get into that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I got a lot more content coming out. We're coming up on the last part for the series, Christ and Crafts, for gifts from God. So make sure to keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming out soon. And let me get into it. So to give a little backstory of why I decided to create this, if you guys didn't know, I actually attended a high school that was near TKC, which is where Noah Lyles, yep, the Olympic athlete and gold medal winner, actually graduated. So since he represented our state, I decided to represent him on this YouTube channel. So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is my Noah Lyles character. He's got the running shoes on, the legs, which I use some stuffing underneath to make them look thicker. We've got the running uniform that he usually wears on with the USA emblem on it. I did my best to blend the colors on the inside there, but it was a little bit tricky, not gonna lie. He has some nice shoulder padding there so that it looks like his arms are a little bit more muscular. He's got his signature running wristbands. And then let me tell you guys, his hair, one of the most hard things to do. I was struggling, especially with the little beads and his cornrows, but it came out pretty good. I also gave him his little gold medal, and then also we have the Olympics emblem. Beautiful. But yeah, this is the character. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This one was a little bit too difficult to make into a tutorial, so I just decided to show it off because I still wanted to give you guys some content on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing a lot more like these where it's not going to be me doing the full tutorial, but I still get to show you guys some of the crafts that I'm making. So if you guys want to see stuff like this created from your own ideas, just put it in the comments. I have a whole wait list, and I'm going down the list as I'm speaking right now, making your guys' creations. So if you want to see yours on the video or on the YouTube channel, just comment. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.